I drip on your bitch like water. Water, okay? Water. What? Water. Water. Water.
So where we're gonna
go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping. Bang them there. Tag scammer them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Plus couple front seller gal there. Hey, bang them there. Tag scammer them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Plus couple front seller gal there. Hey, big money popping anywhere me stop dog. Dead presidents man full of cash dog. Me no drop yard, gal I say me up, me no hot dog. Big black card, but a real top dog. Oh lord, place just get chilly. From water just give it 2 blackberry. Same time the bitch get hype. I like ice, so she dash real little flashlight. More bottles popping, make shit happen. Don't watch it happen. Reach at the party, bar we attacking. Broom me them strapping, case I knocking fi go on. Cause we not dead quick. Full teeth hard, man a real dentist. That's why we no frightened, we no apprentice. This and them dead cause them this. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping, ain't no stopping. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping, bang them there. Tag scammer them there. Me a tell you say the shell of them there. Plus couple front seller gal there. Hey, bang them there. Tag scammer them there. Me a tell you say the
I will go and still another video done that. So you get up at the body dog.
Oh god.
Yeah,
So anyways guys,
That was a dope challenge.
I'd like to thank my neighbor Sam and Jordan for helping with this video. And big up to Leon because he's doing the same challenge too. So follow his channel, it will be in the description. And yeah, Singh Zima, wow.
from water just give it 2 blackberry. Same time the bitch get hype. I like ice, so she dash real little flashlight. More bottles popping, make shit happen. Don't watch it happen.